अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरे बेटे, मैं आपका रुफीन सर आज आपकी खिदमत में एक और बार नए प्रॉब्लम के साथ मेरे बेटे हाजिर हूँ। दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 फ्रॉम इरोडो। अगेन द क्वेश्चन कम्स फ्रॉम किनेमेटिक्स। पहले मेरे बेटे हम अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे क्वेश्चन क्या है, अच्छी सी डायग्राम बनाएंगे, देन विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट। क्वेश्चन क्या है? क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या कहता है? अ पॉइंट, ओके, a point moves in a plane xy plane according to the law. X is a sin omega t and y is a into 1 minus cos omega t. A and omega are positive constants. We have to calculate distance s, not displacement. Distance s by the point during the time tau, and I have to calculate angle between points velocity and acceleration vectors. Okay, so how can I do it? सबसे पहले if I by trial अगर मैं इस क्वेश्चन को देखूं, I expect the particle to move on a circular trajectory. देखिए कैसे x अगर आपका दिया है इट्स a sin omega t, हालांकि इस क्वेश्चन में बोला नहीं है ट्रेजेक्टरी निकालिए, y is equal to a minus a cos omega t. If you want me to get the trajectory, I can write y minus a is equal to minus a cos omega t. It will help us in a way. I will call this first, I will call this second. If we will square and add, squaring and adding, because when I square first and second and then I will add them up, time will be eliminated. Have a look. X square plus y minus a whole square, it will be equal to a square sin square omega t, and over here minus will go with square, a square cos square omega t. I will be left with x square plus y minus a whole square. It will be equal to a square, because sin square omega t plus cos square omega t is 1. This is a circle. You can understand this. It is a circle having center at 0, comma a. It is a circular trajectory. So particle is moving on circular trajectory. Where will be the center? Center will be 0, comma a. It will be lying on y-axis. It will be the trajectory. Trajectory will be like this. If I will try to show this, so if it is a circle, circle will be like this. Center of the circle will be over here. This will be circular trajectory. And this point, obviously, if you will check it, this point will have coordinates 0, comma a. This will lie on, y-axis. And the center is here and its radius will be equal to a. This is the trajectory. Now, what is the distance covered? For distance, I know, I have already taught you, distance is calculated as integration of speed, and displacement is calculated as integration of velocity in a given time interval. This much we know. This information, this stuff we know. Distance निकलता है speed को integrate करके, और displacement निकलता है velocity को integrate करके. So, सर मैं speed कैसे निकालूं? उसके लिए मुझे velocity vector निकालना है. What will be Vx? Come on. Differentiate displacement along x with time. So, it will be a cos omega t, I gap. A cos omega t into omega is internal differentiation, I gap. So, velocity along x is a omega cos omega t, I gap. ठीक है बच्चा? What will be Vy? कीजिए y को differentiate dy by dt. What you will get? Come on bete. What you will get? A derivative 0. It will be minus a cos omega t is minus sin omega t derivative into omega j gap. Okay. So therefore, what is the equation of velocity? Velocity vector will be a omega cos omega t I cap plus a omega sin omega t j cap. So for me, this is my velocity. If I want to calculate speed, I just have to find out modulus, because speed is magnitude of velocity. So mod of this is a square omega square in both, because I and j they are perpendicular. Inside it will be left with cos square t plus sin square omega t. I hope you got this. Because magnitude of velocity is speed, iska square आएगा because they are perpendicular to each other. This guy will be 1, it will be a omega. Speed कितना निकला मेरा बच्चा? A omega. बस अब speed जब निकला, pump in the value here, integrate it within limits, you will get the distance covered. So S will be integral. I have to get distance covered in time tau. Speed dt. Speed कितना निकला मेरा बच्चा? It is a omega dt from 0 to tau. So distance covered will be a omega tau because dt integration is t, upper limit minus lower limit. This is my distance covered. And part P, what is the angle between velocity vectors and acceleration vectors? My velocity vector is how much I have obtained the value. It is a omega cos omega t and a omega sin omega t. Over here, it is a omega cos omega t I cap plus a omega sin omega t j cap. If I want to have acceleration, it will be time derivative of velocity. Come on मेरा बेटा, come on. इसमें तोते उड़ने नहीं चाहिए, बहुत आसान है मेरा बच्चा. इसको डिफरेंशिएट कीजिए. It will be a omega cos की minus sin omega t. Internal differentiation omega I cap. यहाँ आएगा a omega cos omega t into internal differentiation आएगा omega j cap. So my acceleration will be minus a omega square. Inside I will be left with sin omega t I cap plus cos omega t j cap. Now if I want to have, angle between them, if I want to check what is the angle, use dot product. Now a dot v, it will be how much? Have the dot between these two, velocity and acceleration. It will be a omega cos omega ti plus a omega sin omega tj. Use dot product. It will be over here minus a omega square sin omega ti minus a omega square cos omega tj. Okay, great. I think if I will take minus common, this term will be becoming positive. It will be becoming as, if I will take minus common, this term will become negative, no? Yeah. And now if the first term is negative, second term is positive. You can check it. Derivative of this is negative and derivative of this is positive. If I will take minus common, then this term will be positive, this will be negative, or vice versa. So what is the dot product? Come on, a dot v. I term is to be treated with I cap, j cap is to be treated with j cap. Come on, if this is to be multiplied with this, what will be? We're getting minus a square omega cube cos omega t sin omega t. This is minus. Second term will be plus will be plus a square omega cube sin omega t cos omega t. And if you check, this will become 0. A dot v is 0. What does that mean? Vectors are orthogonal. Acceleration is perpendicular to velocity. And मैंने आपको पहले ही प्रेडिक्ट किया था, जब पाथ ट्रेजेक्टरी सर्कुलर होगा, वेलोसिटी और एक्सेलरेशन के बीच में एंगल 90 होता है. And that acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration, which acts towards center. And the velocity linear is tangential. वहां tangential acceleration भी हो सकता है, but its role is to change the speed of the particle. But centripetal acceleration has a role to change its direction of motion. And you cannot have circular motion without centripetal acceleration. It's very easy with it. Thank you.